For the last many weeks, there have been endless questions about what the Congress's plan is for legacy bastions of the Gandhis like Amethi and Raebareli. It looks like finally we have some answers for you. Sources telling us here on India Today that the decks are cleared, preparations are underway in Amethi, and yes, Rahul Gandhi will be returning to his bastion, to this constituency, and perhaps taking on Smriti Irani yet again. And we could see Priyanka Gandhi also in the poll-free this time, being fielded from Raebareli to take forward the legacy of her mother, Sonia Gandhi. Now, reportedly, the Gandhi siblings, before making their way to Amethi and Raebareli, will first take the blessings of Ram Lalla, will visit the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. The timing, of course, of the announcement is something everyone's been focusing on, because remember, in phase 2, when Wayanad votes, till then there's no announcement. It's only post that, in all likelihood, that Rahul Gandhi will touch down in Amethi to announce that he's contesting from a second seat.
Will Rahul Gandhi fight from Amethi? The Congress silence on the question has added suspense to the Lok Sabha campaign in UP. Now, sources tell India Today that Rahul Gandhi may fight from Amethi and Priyanka from Raebareli. Rahul may file nomination from Amethi on May 1st and is likely to reach Amethi on Saturday, a day after Wayanad polling. Sources also say that the Congress party is planning a big show of strength on May 1st. According to sources, the Gandhi siblings are also likely to take blessings of Lord Ram in Ayodhya before filing their respective nominations.
ये वही राहुल गांधी प्रियंका वाड्रा हैं जिनके परिवार ने देश के न्यायालय में ये दस्तावेज दे दिया कि भगवान राम का कोई अस्तित्व नहीं। ये वही राहुल गांधी प्रियंका वाड्रा हैं जिन्होंने राम लला के प्राण प्रतिष्ठा समारोह के निमंत्रण को ठुकरा दिया, और आज जब उत्तर प्रदेश में चुनाव लड़ने की बारी आई है तो हमारे आराध्य याद आए।
Rahul's ally Akhilesh Yadav, recently answering a question on Rahul's Amethi fight, had claimed that the battle for the bastion is about to begin.
अब तो आ गए हैं कन्नौज में, आपके दोस्त भी अमेठी से आने वाले हैं।
अरे सब आएंगे अब तो महफिल यूपी में ही सही नहीं, और इसलिए भी कि देखो ना बीजेपी वालों की भाषा क्या है। ये भाषा इसलिए है क्योंकि इन्होंने अपने कारोबारियों की मदद की। जब से इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड की बात आई है, बीजेपी का बैंड बज गया।
The Congress, however, time and again left the question unanswered.
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ अमेठी से मैं हूँ और प्रियंका रायबरेली से हैं। जो भी कांग्रेस पार्टी चुनेगी, वहाँ जो उम्मीदवार होंगे, वहाँ के लोग जो बीजेपी को टक्कर दे सकते हैं, गांधी परिवार से हो या कोई और कांग्रेस के आदमी हो जिनसे या महिला हो जो वहाँ प्रगति ला सकते हैं और जो स्मृति ईरानी नहीं कर पाए।
हर बार ये कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी की चुनौती, प्रधानमंत्री चुनौती, अब चुनौती इंडिया गठबंधन से इनको मिलने वाला है। अब बीजेपी की कहानी खत्म हो चुकी है।
कब आएंगे राहुल गांधी जी और किस तरीके से चुनाव होने वाला है?
निश्चित तौर से वो समय चीजें तय हो रही हैं और जब आएंगे तो आपको सबको जानकारी दे दी जाएगी।
ये तय है अमेठी रायबरेली से प्रियंका और राहुल लड़ेंगे?
बनारस भी तय है, अमेठी रायबरेली भी तय है।
देखिए, अमेठी के बाद कांग्रेस का डिसीजन है, जो भी मुझे ऑर्डर मिलेगा मैं वो करूंगा। सीईसी मीटिंग हमारी पार्टी में सीईसी मीटिंग्स में ये डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं।
As the political landscape heats up, all eyes are on Gandhi siblings as they gear up for a potential electoral showdown in their family bastions. Bureau Report, India Today.
And let me bring in Maushmi Singh on this broadcast, who's joining us live from Wayanad right now. Maushmi, there's a lot of talk that, the Congress was holding off on this announcement till phase 2 gets over, till Wayanad completes voting, so that, the people of Wayanad don't really think twice and don't feel that Rahul Gandhi is choosing another seat over Wayanad. But as far as Amethi goes, is it more or less certain now that Rahul Gandhi is fighting from Amethi? And what about Priyanka Gandhi?
See, Akshita, there has been no official word on it, but if you look at the indications, it clearly indicate that Rahul Gandhi would be looking towards Amethi, and Priyanka could be possibly contesting in Raebareli. And even we spoke to the BJP candidate, who is the Kerala president here, K. Surendran, and he said that this is a betrayal of the people of Wayanad. Why didn't Rahul Gandhi reveal beforehand that he was contesting from 2 constituencies if he goes on to contest Amethi? So the Congress knew this very well, that had they announced his candidature earlier on, the BJP would make a big deal out of it, and they've burnt their fingers in the past in 2019, and it cost them Amethi for doing so. So that's one lesson that the Congress did learn. The second thing is that the Congress believes that this is an erstwhile Gandhi bastion. They need to come back, win or lose, it doesn't matter. The top leaders of the Congress, in fact, counseled and spoke to Rahul Gandhi. There were deliberate discussions and persuasions that Rahul Gandhi should, in fact, not leave Amethi uncontested. And that's one reason that it clearly points out, with no other alternative as far as, Congress reading any other alternative. There's not been any backroom discussions as to, if not Rahul Gandhi, who else. It's clear that Rahul Gandhi could, come to Amethi between the 1st and 3rd to file his nomination.
All right. Thanks very much, Maushmi, for getting us all of those details. Between 1st and 3rd, Maushmi tells us Rahul Gandhi, in all likelihood, will be filing his nomination from Amethi.